This video is about how to work from home as an entrepreneur, and it's from my course called Starting, Managing and Scaling an Online Business. And below this video is a link to an exclusive 50% off coupon to that course. So here's the video, and at the end I'll give you some more tips about how to work from home as an entrepreneur. Now, working from home was a transition I found incredibly easy to make. I think a lot of people worry about it who've never done it before, but when you do it, if you have the motivation and the passion to start your own business, it really isn't a problem. The beautiful thing about working from home is that in this day and age, we can actually just do it without any preparation or planning, because we all have the tools in our own homes to start a business. All you need is a computer, a phone, and an internet connection, and then you can start a business from home. You already have those things, so there's no need to bother about it. But the one thing about working from home, or actually working on your own business, that you need to bother about is focus. There are tools that stop social media sites from informing you of certain updates or alerts. There are tools that can stop your inbox from informing you for every time you have an email. I use a tool that stops the Facebook newsfeed from showing on my computer. And there are various other tools that will help you with focus. Some people swear by the Pomodoro Technique, where you work in 25-minute blocks separated by a 5-minute downtime or 5-minute rests. But don't let people who have never worked for themselves or people who have never worked from home put you off. Some people will look at you as if you're an alien from outer space, or if you've got two heads, and tell you it's impossible. But just don't listen to these people, because your passion for your business will be your motivation. It's maybe not for everybody, but it's for you, and you will naturally develop your own way to focus that puts you into your flow state where you are at your most productive. So these are the things you can do in order to increase focus and maintain motivation while working from home. Turn off the distractions from social media and email. Make sure you get one thing done by each day. I find this very useful when I'm writing a book, for example. I'll try to always write 700 to 1,000 words each day. When I'm creating a video course, I try to create 5 minutes of video each day, or something like that. Also, you might have something you want done each week. There might be a certain task you'd need to finish by the end of the week. And this is where meetups, masterminds, and accountability buddies come in handy. I've told you the importance of getting to know other entrepreneurs, and you can do that at meetups. Masterminds are groups of entrepreneurs, usually 4 or 5, broadly similar entrepreneurs. They maybe meet once a week for an hour, maybe online, and each of the members takes turns to have a session in the hot seat to discuss the specific challenges and proposed next actions. Other members of the group will then put their suggestions and input in. It's great for accountability because people will give updates on what they have achieved and what they haven't achieved. Accountability buddies, of course, are the same thing, but they are just one person. So maybe you've met an entrepreneur and you have a good relationship with them. You could then arrange to meet on Skype once a week or once every 2 weeks and make each other accountable for your actions. So say to your buddy, I want to complete this action by the next time we speak. Maybe write a blog post or set up an account or sell a certain amount of products, anything. And then the next time you meet, you will talk about it. But working from home will not be a problem as you are passionate about your business. But there are a few things that will help you increase your focus on the tasks. Okay, so I hope that video helped. Remember, working from home as an entrepreneur is all about maintaining focus and decreasing distractions. Remember, you can always set those goals. You can set a goal of something you need to do by the morning, something you need to do that day, that week, that month, that quarter, that year. I'm all about setting goals, obviously, and accountability. Meetups, masterminds, and accountability buddies. They can all be done online. You don't have to meet people in person to do it, although it's better and more fun if you do. But meeting people and understanding that you're not alone in this, and having those accountability goals together with your groups of people or your buddies, that is a great thing as well. There's one more tip as well that I didn't mention in this video that other people find very important, and that is to always keep one desk, one place in your house or apartment where you always work. And so have that area of your life, or that physical area of your home, always dedicated to work and nothing else. I've always done that, but it's kind of been an obvious thing for me, but other people tell me that that's incredibly important. So remember, there's a 50% off link to my course, which is called Starting, Managing and Scaling an Online Business, and that gives you some ideas of how to make money from home. And the link below this video is 50% off. My name's Rob Coburn. I'll see you in another video.